just for the thumbnail. I got that Jackson, I got that Lincoln, I got that Washington, and that's all we got because we don't really take out cash like that. We use a cash. Do I like toss it? Is this how you make it rain? Am I doing it right? The Twitch ad incentive. August 2022, Twitch ad incentives were launched for partners, but also changing the cut to 55% for affiliates if they opt in with the ad manager with a 3 minutes per hour ad. I'm now, as an affiliate, not a partner, want to put that to the test to see if it's really a big difference and go now and check what I had before. This is now, I'm still in August. I haven't opted in and done the 3 minute ads yet. See how much I earn and compare it to future me, who's gonna film at the end of the month. I wanna go with monthly basis. Today's August 28 when I'm filming this. Maybe I'm Sarissa and I may be Sarissa on all social platforms, but on Twitch, I'm gonna give some analytics in case, not analytics, like statistics of my channel in case you wanna compare or somewhat for this to be informative since it's a comparison thing. It might help you, might not, let me know. But basically I have over 1,600 followers on Twitch. Let's go to insights for the channel analytics to see like monthly. So monthly I get like 7, it can range 7 to 11 in general. Viewers, there's just follows, you see the subscriptions, blah blah blah. But we're gonna scroll down to here to find out the ads for the period. Like my period right now is $1.69 for this period. They did say they have like a 30% bump compared to the other months. So we can go and check, and this is how you check for the others. Let's go June. Let's not go June, sorry. Let's go June 30th to July 28th. So we have similar number, and we go down. Ads, I had 81 cents, which makes sense because in July I was on vacation and I had work related, so I wasn't streaming as much. So a good comparison also would be to compare it to May and June, because June I had a regular stream month compared to July. Oh, sorry, 28 we said. Well, that's May 31st. So let's go May 31st because there's a less of a day update. Let's go down. And I had $2.15. So you see, even those 3 different months, it's not, let's say, saying go from 81 cents to $2 to $1. So we have an idea. So now I'm gonna go and add manager and switch it on. So in case you don't know how to do that, I have a video of how to do your ad manager. I'll recommend it next to watch, but I'll also put it in suggestion if you don't know how to use your ad manager. I also have a video of how to use that. You go in the ad program. For instance, I am already in it because I run 30-second ads. Wait, how long would you like your ad? No, I link 1 minute. I run 1 minute ad every 20 minutes. So that makes in an hour, 3 minutes. Because an hour is 3 times 20. The math. But yeah, so I have 3 minutes, but it's just not in one go. So every 20 minutes, a minute ad once. So I've been in it already. So I don't need to switch. So this video could already show, okay, what's the difference? Because I've been in it then. Schedule ads minute per hour, 3 minutes an hour. Wait, your total ad time per hour streaming based on your selected space and link options. Okay, so it tells you on the side, 55% of the avenue you get for 1 ads, 1 3 minutes ads. Okay, pre-rolls ads yet disabled. Because if I'm saying change it. Okay, it tells you. Okay, yes, it switches. Okay, so I already had it. Oh, look at me. I imagine planning a video to do it and you already have it. Well, it is what it is, everybody. I already had exactly 3 minutes. So what can I do? Decide if you have the 3 minutes or not already, and it tells you your revenue share. So I go cancel. Yeah, don't save. So to me now, I have to wait next month still before I show you this video to know if it worked or not. Future guys will take it away now to compare, does the ad incentive really work? This is September 28th, right? Hi. A lot of things have happened since. Twitch has released their official response of not going to 70-30 for creators, to staying to 50-50, and cited the Twitch ad incentive as one of the reasons that creators are getting paid more and that 50-50 is fair. So now it's going to make it even more interesting to see if this really is changing my income, at least ad wise, compared to what I was gaining before. This is my dashboard. Once again, I covered what's not on topic today, and that's personal that y'all don't need to know. And we're gonna change the date to go from the 28th to 28, like I did before. 28 to 28. So we're changing that. Yes, my Twitch is in French. It changes all the time. Sometimes English, sometimes French. I don't know. I change it to English and it goes back to French. So today it's going to stay French. Get the girl out of France, but you can't take the France out the computer. I'm telling you, it refuses. Every time I put this computer in English, it goes back to French. I don't forget and don't even realize till it's time to film a video that my computer is in French. So it's in French. Don't worry, it's the same information. Also calculate what percentage more I've earned, because Twitch did on the article talk about streamers on average 20% more with the Twitch incentive and other things besides just subs. But I just want to see, since they mentioned that in that article, curious. So let's scroll down. And so pub is advertisements, and we have on $7.91. It is more. It is more than last month. I'm putting on screen the percentage difference from last month or the month before, or both of them, to this month, with fully being the ad incentive, 3 minutes in, etc. And starting the stream with a 3-minute ad, by the way, for all of these months. I have been doing that because I know it deactivates pre-rolls right off the bat. Thank you for watching until now. Twitch ad incentive, did it make me rich? No, but I did earn more. Bye.